Global industries are currently facing a period of intense, overlapping pressures. Digital infrastructure is advancing rapidly, climate policies are necessitating new supply chain models, and shifting geopolitical events are changing the nature of international trade. When customer expectations and global markets shift this rapidly, organizations find that incremental efficiency gains are often insufficient to remain competitive. Leadership focus has moved from maintaining existing systems towards a total redesign of the business architecture for future readiness. Artificial intelligence is a primary catalyst in this environment. It is already handling high-volume data processing and basic analysis at a scale human labor cannot match. While AI changes the baseline for professional work, it does not remove humans from the process. It shifts the requirement towards a different set of capabilities. Routine execution is increasingly automated. Complex strategy requires human judgment. Modern economies are creating a distinct advantage for the architects who can design new business systems, moving away from a traditional reliance on operators who manage existing ones. This shift has established the enterprise transformation consultant as a critical professional discipline. Governments, financial institutions, and global technology firms are currently allocating billions of dollars to transformation initiatives to navigate these changes. These organizations require professionals who can answer high-stakes structural questions, specifically how to redesign value chains, identify critical capability gaps, and integrate AI across an international workforce. Enterprise consultants integrate technical systems within the broader organizational architecture. They ensure the high-level business strategy directly dictates how daily operations are executed. This ability to connect strategic intent with operational reality is rare. Consequently, experienced transformation consultants are recognized for their specialist expertise and often secure premium professional fees. While these consultants are central to the modern economy, organizations face a significant talent shortage. Standard university degrees provide excellent foundations in specific fields like finance or technology. However, they rarely teach the connective, holistic enterprise thinking required to architect a full organization. Professional experience often follows a similar path. Experts spend years within isolated functional departments, rarely seeing the end-to-end organizational system. A consultant must see the entire organization as a single interconnected unit, identifying how departments collaborate to achieve strategic objectives. This requires a specialized combination of skills, including operating model design, value chain analysis, and the practical application of enterprise AI. Because this cross-functional synthesis is rarely developed in a standard corporate career, those who possess it are highly sought after by leadership teams. At Modus, we operate on the principle that because enterprise transformation professionals are rare, they must be actively developed through a rigorous process. Modus operates as a development incubator, centering our process on continuous learning, enterprise research, and deep engagement with real-world business case studies. We view enterprise consulting as a formal profession, developed over time through mentoring and practical client exposure, much like medicine or law. Our process begins by identifying individuals who possess the raw potential and analytical mindset required to undergo this specific training. We prioritize the diagnosis of future potential, rather than relying on the historical record of a static CV. The Modus Capability Assessment functions as a suitability review to determine your starting point. It evaluates your business knowledge, analytical thinking, and international exposure, clarifying if you are ready for client-facing work or require a tailored development path. The assessment serves as a diagnostic baseline, providing a clear map of current capabilities rather than a high-stakes test with pass or fail grades. Accuracy is the most important factor in this process. Your responses provide the data we need to recommend the correct professional roadmap. For example, question 22 regarding business strategy requires honest reflection. Overstating experience prevents us from providing foundational support. Conversely, underestimating yourself and selecting no practical experience might lead to being overlooked for opportunities you are already capable of. A realistic current state assessment provides the necessary data to build an effective and sustainable transformation roadmap. Every professional brings a unique combination of experience and potential, meaning there is no single predetermined path for everyone. Results may lead to direct consulting assignments, a seat in the foundation program, or a supervised training and apprenticeship program. The focus of this entire process is your 10-year career horizon. Imagine your career in a decade, collaborating with international leadership to shape global AI strategies and architect transformations that affect thousands of employees. Starting this assessment initiates a long-term commitment to a future-proof professional identity. The assessment is an application of consulting logic to your own career, analyzing where you stand today so you can design the leader you will become tomorrow.